How to turn off Discord notification sound. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable your Discord notification sounds in just a few simple steps. Now, whether you're using Discord on a PC or mobile device, managing your notification settings is essential for a distraction-free experience. So, before I teach you, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Now first open your Discord and then click on the profile icon on the bottom right and then go to the settings icon on the top right. Scroll down and then you'll see notifications. Tap on it. After that, under in-app notifications, you'll see get notifications within Discord. What you have to do is toggle it off. Now you've successfully turned off all Discord notification sounds. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and leave a comment as well. Don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.